Greetings from Maximus. Hi, myself Alka Sharma. I'm the career counselor of Maximus. Today, I'm going to explain few things on McAfee training. In this McAfee training, we will cover from basic to advanced level of the training. In case, if you're looking only for the advanced or the basic part of the training, it is also possible. We do believe in complete customization of the training solution for one and all. Hence, if you are an individual or corporate, we will fix the training agenda as per your requirement or as per your project requirement and then deliver the training for you. Here is the training agenda, what the trainer is going to cover in this video. What is McAfee? That is the introduction part of the video. Its features, McAfee course content, certifications of McAfee available in the market, prerequisites, Maximus trainer, what are the job opportunities available for McAfee, Maximus introduction, corporate training benefits as well as individual training benefits, conclusion, and lastly how to reach us or how to enroll with us for the McAfee training purpose. What is McAfee? McAfee antivirus software protects your computer and data against cyber threats such as viruses, ransomware, malware, unwanted programs, spyware, and many more. Its free antivirus software trial recommends all the features of McAfee Total Protection, such as antivirus, web protection, password manager, file encryption, and parental controls. The software is designed with all necessary advanced optimization tools so that the computers can easily execute all the tasks. Please look at the basic features of McAfee. The respective trainer has jotted down its features for your reference. Let me read out the features for you. McAfee antivirus software can be installed in different versions such as Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android, etc. McAfee Total Protection is one of the best antivirus programs in terms of cost for home users required to protect multiple devices. It allows users to protect systems, files, and remote locations from viruses and other security risks. McAfee SIEM is regarded as one of the best SIEM platform in terms of security and analytics. Moving on to the next part of the video, we have the McAfee SIM course content. Let's have a look on the standard course content we have with us today. About the course content, the trainer has listed few topics for you, what he is going to cover in this video. Let me read out the topics of McAfee. The topics are McAfee architecture, imaging of McAfee device, keying or connecting McAfee appliance, ESM setup, ERC setup, ELM setup, ACE setup, planning of SIEM setup, EPS circulation, different architectures. Now, whatever I have shown you here, this is the main course content. Basically, what our McAfee SIEM trainer has prepared for you for this training session. Moving to the next, we have what are the certifications available for McAfee SIEM? Our McAfee course covers all the topics that is required to clear McAfee certification exam. Trainer will share complete McAfee certification guide, McAfee certification sample questions, McAfee certification practice questions. Gain complete guidance on obtaining a certification on McAfee. Here is the details of prerequisite, that is, who all are eligible to take part in McAfee SIEM learning session. There is no required prerequisite for McAfee SIEM training. So any candidate with no prior knowledge can join the McAfee SIEM session and learn McAfee to start his career. Now we have why Maximus McAfee SIEM trainer. It's because our trainers are real-time subject matter expert from corporate and have minimum of 10 to 15 years of experience in this particular SIEM field. They will tell you real-time industry McAfee implementation challenges, what even they are facing in their daily life. They will also share with candidates about the case studies of McAfee SIEM. The trainer will not only cover those topics whatever they have listed down in the course content slide, but they will definitely make you project ready so that the candidates can easily start working on project from day one after the successful completion of the McAfee SIEM session. They will eventually guide you for the McAfee certification exam also so that the candidate can pass the exam with an ease. What are the job opportunities available for McAfee SIM across the globe? If you're searching for job in India, probably I can say Naukri is the best platform available. Let's have a look at the Naukri platform. I've already opened it for you guys. I can see currently there are 3 job opportunities for, for McAfee SIM. Then I can see Delhi where there are 2052 job openings, and then Gurgaon and many other locations available. Let me see how much package they are offering. I can see 2309 who all are ready to pay in between 6 to 10 lakhs, 208 who all are ready to pay 25 to 50 lakhs. And one more thing I got to say, there is even 2 openings that are ready to pay more than 100 lakhs. India hiring for McAfee SIM. Tech MBS being at the top, where there are 118 job openings, 55 openings in Accenture, Wipro BPS, Flipkart, and many others big companies are also hiring for McAfee SIM across India. And if you're looking for job opportunities across USA, then Dice is the best platform available. Let's have a look at Dice. In Dice, currently I get to see there are 192 job openings in Dice for McAfee SIM, and the designations are McAfee HBSS Endpoint Security, McAfee EPO Consultant, Endpoint Engineer, Senior Information Security Analyst, etc. And if anyone is looking for job across worldwide, then the LinkedIn is definitely the best platform to look for job across the globe. And in LinkedIn today there are 4267 job opening. I repeat, 4267 job openings for McAfee SIM. Let's see across the globe who all are the companies hiring for McAfee SIM. In LinkedIn, I got to see clearance jobs being the top, then followed by Deloitte, Accenture, VMware, Leidos, etc. These are the top companies hiring for McAfee across the world. And what are the top locations available? Currently, USA being in the top for McAfee SIM, Then comes our India, Canada, Singapore, etc. Let's go back to our main slide. We have already gone through all these top countries in Naukri, Dice, as well as in LinkedIn. And these are the names of the top companies we already got to see from all these countries. Why one should choose Max Training Institution? Max Institution is a 15-year-old corporate training and project consulting company. If you have to talk about our company Max we are one of the top technologies training company in niche technologies across India, USA, UK, Europe and various parts in UAE. Max has successfully conducted more than 1,000 corporate trainings in India, Finland, Sweden, Germany, Austria, Israel and Singapore, or say any country name. We have also received excellent feedback and appreciation from our corporate clients throughout the globe. These are the names of the top clients for whom we have already provided McAfee SIM training in India as well as outside India. Let's look into the next slide we have. What are the corporate training benefits of McAfee SIM from Axponus? Customization of course content can be done as per the company's project requirement. We do actually provide implementation and configuration level of McAfee training. Maxbonus corporate training program helps employees to start working on project from day one after the successful completion of the training session. Even you have the option to choose location, training mode, and your preferred schedule for McAfee training session. We will definitely provide course completion certification to all the participants. Next, what are the individual training benefits from Maxbonus? And the benefits are customized training to individual is our main USP. Industry-specific subject matter experts trainer for individual project. Flexibility to select trainer and have live demo session with trainer before the starting of the McAfee SIM training. Each candidate will easily get to know the McAfee certification exam process in details. On concluding today's session, I can say that one can learn to protect devices and data from any sort of cyber attacks using McAfee antivirus software. And for Maximus, I can proudly say we have industry-specific senior subject matter expert who can customize the training agenda as per project requirement for companies and for individuals. This McAfee SIM training will be of implementation and configuration level of training. When it comes to individuals training, individuals may not find customized training as per their project requirements in most of the places. But arranging one-to-one customized implementation level of training for our individuals is our main USP. Last but not the least, I can summarize that this McAfee SIEM has huge market job opportunities throughout the world. Excellent trainer, implementation and configuration level training, course completion certificate, McAfee SIM certification tips and guidance, and learning at your own pace. All this option makes us excellent and first choice for learning McAfee training course. For any more further information or if you want to enroll with us for McAfee SIM training session, one can definitely reach us through these numbers below. Kindly note down all the contact numbers. We are even reachable in WhatsApp in these numbers mentioned here. And one can even drop a mail in this given mail ID, that is contact@maxbonus.com. And one can easily reach us by clicking on the URL given in the description box. One can even reach us by dropping a message in our live chat box here, and the concerned person will immediately get back to you and solve all your queries regarding the training session. So, for an excellent career growth in McAfee SIM, join us now. I hope you will definitely love and enjoy the full McAfee training session with Maximus. Candidate satisfaction is our main responsibility. Thank you.